The sun is shining, it's just hidden a little bit, but not enough to stop us from enjoying this beautiful evening.
I can see blue sky.
A little bit.
The sky is half full of blue.
We would also like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land before we start to play, and to play a song in part about our heritage.
South on the Federal Highway. I'm passing Lake George where they say that you shouldn't go sailing. And I look over across the water, and there's hardly a tree to be found. And I'm stuck between angry and proud at this work of the ancestors. We played a game called Who's First to See Black Mountain Tower, and I got confused by the safety lights on Mount Majura. She's friendly, she's like family, and the mountains that lie down behind, the planning's as good as you'll find anywhere. It's the work of some ancestors' hand. Just the things that remain of us. Well, I'll still come to the Botanic Gardens, and there'll still be music on Eucalypt Lawn, but there might be a few more people, and there might be a few more eucalypts, or maybe less. These are difficult things to predict.
We're no demographer.
We're no geographer.
We're no eucalyptographer.
But you're quite funny. And I still got these lingering questions to do with my ancestors. Like if a wound starts to heal, can it still fester? Oh. Feels like murder to remember, but if it's black then I must wear the band, 'cause there's something I owe to this land, the work of the ancestors' hand. Wear the band, 'cause there's something I owe to this land, for the work of the ancestors' hand.